Zendaya has been method dressing. Let's get into it. Okay, so this look, I'm obsessed. Zendaya showed up to the drama Paris premiere yesterday in a custom Louis Vuitton dress, and this look is absolutely too good. So the dress itself, it's this floor length, bright white column gown, long sleeves, crew neck, super sleek and almost modest looking from the front, but give it the back shot. Like you look at the front and think it's giving elegant but restrained, and then she turns around and it's like, oh, the back has this bold open back cutout, and then there's a dangerously high slit up the side. And then the main event, this massive black silk bow attached to the back that flows down into a long dramatic train. And the beauty of it is, I love that it is the fabric. I love the choice of fabric, that it's kind of like mesh, like chiffon. It's just something really soft, and just what makes this whole thing better is that the drama is a story about a couple whose wedding week falls apart. So Zendaya starring in the movie, obviously, and the idea of them going with a bridal theme for the press tour for this project is really, really, really brilliant. The idea behind this bridal press tour is they're taking from the old saying of something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. So she's already worn her something old, which was a look, a Vivienne Westwood look. She wore her first red carpet, her first main event, her first red carpet. She wore this old Vivienne Westwood look, and then she brought it as a something old, recently for probably the first leg of this press tour. And now this is her something new, according to Law Roach. This outfit is a something new. So I guess the next time we'll be seeing something borrowed, and then up until something blue. So what do you think? What do you think of this outfit? It's absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I just have to say, Law Roach is a menace, and I mean that as a compliment.